Hi, this is Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create Passkey on WhatsApp. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Following hot on the heels of Google's recent introduction of Passkey, WhatsApp has revealed is now rolling out support for passkeys with Android devices, the first to get the new feature on the popular messaging app. It's another potential nail in the coffin for the humble password, with passkeys widely being hailed as further of online account security. So how to do it if you want to set passkey, if you want to create passkey for your WhatsApp account? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. Tap on account. There's an option passkeys. You can just tap on that. You can read this, log it securely and protect your account. Create a passkey for a secure, easy way to log into your account. Log into WhatsApp with your face, fingerprint, or screen lock. Now you can just tap on create passkey. You can, because I've just create passkey before for my WhatsApp, so I just need to tap on continue like this. You can use your screen lock. So now here's your passkey for your WhatsApp. It's so simple, right? So that is how to create passkey for your WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!